Would y'all believe me if I said I made this dinner in less than 10 minutes? The other day, I got this amazing box from True Nature Meats Company. All I had to do was let the meat thaw out, take it out of the fridge, and put it in a hot pan. The steak was already pre-grilled and seasoned, so there was zero prep for me to do. I literally just threw it in the pan, heated it up until our likeness. Give that bad boy a little flip halfway through. I think I did about a minute on each side. And then I paired it with some instant roasted garlic mashed potatoes and green beans. And voila, steak night in less than 10 minutes. Use my coupon code to save.